Today we got this blower. It's Aireexpress, and the model, let me see. Yeah, it's C1500. Okay, so it's used for blower for the mattresses. This is the company. Okay, now what is the issue with this one? Okay, when I'm connecting the power, okay, it turns on, but okay, you see that it's not changing the airflow. It's supposed to, like, the air pressure is not that much enough. Like when I do at 9, it should be like blowing everything, so it's not. So we will open it and we will see what's going on inside. So for opening it, there's 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's start. Okay, I'm using my one hand, so one hand I have a phone, so I pause here, just open this 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, then I will start recording again. I'm back. Now the 4 screws are open, so you will see from inside like this. Okay, so this is our resistor, capacitor, fuse. Okay, in these pumps I face, like, sometimes these fuse are bad, and use the same fuse because I tried the other fuse but it was not working fine. Like in 2 minutes and 3 minutes it's going bad again. Okay, so this is not giving it that much pressure, but I don't blame this thing, because I blame resistor. I blame this one. Okay, 2 things you have to check. If it is dead, it means fuse. If there's a motor, this is a blower, doesn't work, then you have to check this connection. This is for blowers. Okay, so I predict as my experience that this is the issue with this one. So let's change it. I have a new one here. So new one here with 4. So I will take out the old one. Okay, and I put the new one. Okay, and let's check. I put the wire. So okay, so this is light as we saw here. So I'm just testing, so I did not put. Okay, now let's start. Yes, slow. Yes. And fast, yep. It's full. So now you can see the difference, like with this new one, it's blowing everything, the air pressure it needs. So I was right, this is the issue with the resistor. So what I'm gonna do, I will open this and put the new one. So I will show you how to open this one too. I was thinking to show you the difference too. Like, I'm thinking to put the old one, so I don't know, in camera I can describe. Okay, let me put the old one and show you what was the difference again. Okay, I'm connecting this. So like you saw the new one, and let me put this thing back. Okay, Okay, you can see like it's the same, it's not changing. You can see the difference, right, for airflow. So that's why you need this new one, new resistor. Okay guys, I'm trying to take this thing off so I can put the new one, but somebody have put the glue, like this is, you can see the pod, right? So it's just supposed to, let me clean, yeah, you can see the pod. It should be top of, this thing should be top of this, but somebody have put the glue, so it's getting hard for me to take it off. So you guys try. I will use my both hands, and I ordered the head camera, so next time I will show you with my both hands working. So I'm trying to open this thing, so you guys try. Oh, it's out. Wow. Okay, so you guys can see it, right? Okay, now just open that. Let me open it. Okay, where's the plier? Where's the plier? Okay. Here you go. Yep. The old one. Okay, and there's a LED too. I just need to take out the LED one. And this is old one. Just throw it. Okay. Now the turn for the new one. Okay. Just put the new one. Okay, let me open. And it has its own screw, so just open the. Okay. 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 So you can see that hole here. Yeah, you should put the part which is high, you put with that hole and push it. Okay, so I think it's, yep, it came out. So let me, okay, so we'll try. Okay. Okay, let me. Yep, it's tight. So I will put this thing back. Let me put in 0. So I will put this thing on 0. Okay. So make sure you put the right numbers. Okay. Okay. Okay, it's not right. Let me put this down. Okay, don't do that because it will scratch. So I was okay. Here you go. Now LED, and that's it. Put this thing back here. Okay, the LED is coming out, so let me put and tight it. Okay, you can put glue on LED, but it's your choice. If it's coming out all the time, then you can put the glue. But please don't put the glue with the pot. It's hard, you know, when you try to change it next time, it will be hard for you to open that pot resistor. Okay. Let me final check it. Yep. You can see the difference for the pressure. And I see my LED is not fixing, so I think I will put a glue there. Because you can see my LED is hanging there. So I will put the glue. So let me put the glue there. I use this one mostly. One drop is enough, right? Just use one drop. Don't just let it go there. Okay, I'm done. So one drop is enough. Just put one drop and let it dry. I think it's dried, so I'll put this cover back same way. Okay. Oh, I'm putting the connector wrong way, so just turn it. You see that piece? Yeah, it should be like this. Connector should be like this. Come on. Okay. So LED is there. So let me check. LED is there. Resistor is there. So I'm putting the cover back. And the cover is back. Just put the 4 screws back. One, two, three, and 4. I'm not starting that much right now because I'm just making a video so you guys know how to do it. So this is final check. So we can see the LED and it works. Like you can see the pressure. It's on 4. Check air pressure now. I'll put 9 maximum. So it's working perfect. So see you in another video. Bye bye.